guys, welcome to my channel. And today, as you guys can see, it's very late and dark. I hope this camera is, I don't know, I hope it's clear. Yeah, but it's really dark. It's basically 7 o'clock, so it's not that late, but I just woke up because I work night shift. So I'm heading to the store and I just want to do some groceries because I'm about to cook. I like cooking at night. That's the best time for me. So I'm just gonna take you guys along and shop with me, basically. Okay, yeah, so let's go. I'm just leaving the house right now and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Yeah, let's go. So I'm heading to an African store because I need to get a couple of things that I like to get there. So I'll see you guys when I get there, okay? This looks more like African oranges, but just that they're orange. The African ones are normally the green. The outside is green, but they look really juicy. So I'm gonna get that because I want to make juice out of it. And it says juice oranges, so I think it's perfect for juice making. Whew. Yeah.
Mary, Loma, you holy. You don't have the African every fight.
Sky.
lot of things. Here's some liver, some chicken, tripe. Oh my god. I'm gonna be paying so much money here. I just need to get the shrimp. Alright guys, so here is everything that I bought. Who says that groceries is cheap in America? Like, seriously. Groceries is so expensive, and this is the reason why I do gardening. Like during summertime, because it saves me a lot of money when it comes to the a few vegetables, you know. But yeah, I basically spent like over $200 just on food. And not even done, but I have bought mostly the things that we need. All we need now is fish and a whole lamb, because we usually buy a whole lamb and a lot of fish. Guys, I have 3 freezers. That is how much I cook. I have 3 deep freezers just for cooking at home, everything that we need. So I'm just putting these things in my boot right now. I'm sorry guys, I can't film this the right way because I'm just one person. But yeah, food is so expensive. So if you have a chance, if you have a big backyard and you can do gardening, please do, because you're gonna save a lot of money. I saved a lot of money, and I still have some of those vegetables in my deep freezer that I gardened last year, and I'm looking forward to doing that this year again. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading home maybe tomorrow, or I don't know, one of these days. I have to go, and me and my husband, I'll follow him this time. He's the one who always do groceries, but some things I have to go get myself, because you know, man, they can't do everything. So yeah, but ooh, damn, it's so cold. Wow. Ooh. But yeah, I'm gonna have to follow him this time around so I can film it when he's going to buy the lamb and some fish. So I'll go with him, that way I can film it and show you guys. Okay, anyways, I'm heading home right now. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I am home, and this is basically everything that I bought. So yeah, here is some sardine. This sardine is the African sardine, and it's so good. I prefer this to tuna salad. So if you're someone who likes sardine, here it is. And this here is the best one. That's one that says Titus is the best one. And I have some crabs here. These are blue crabs. I have clams. Look at that. I can't wait to make this, because I want to make some this is shrimp. Look how big this shrimp is. It's so big, and it's a lot in there. It's almost $30 though, but it's a lot. It's 2 kilograms. Because I plan to make seafood boil, Gambian style. So that's why I bought these. In here I have some hot chicken with bones. I have some what is this called? Plantain. Ignore this thing. This I'm about to cook. That's what I have in the sink there. And I have some papaya. So excited. I didn't eat papaya for a while, and guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to eat this papaya right now after all this crazy shopping that I did. And I have some oranges, got some tripe. So if you don't know what tripe is, I think it's the stomach part of the beef, like the stomach skin part of it. And it's so good when you cook it with vegetable soups like okra soup or spinach soups. It's really good. And here I have some liver, which is beef liver. Liver is good, proteinous, and it's really, really good for you. Here I got some mangoes, more clams, more clams over there. Okra. Yes, that's the African in me. You know we gotta eat okra. You know we love okra, so don't blame me. Don't blame me. And here I have some fish, a little bit of fish. This fish, I just wanted to use it like when I'm cooking okra soup to be putting it in there. It looks really good. And here I have more crabs. So that one is for my seafood board. And basically that's all that I got. Like I said, we're gonna have to go back to the store to get our whole lamb, because we normally get a whole lamb. That way it lasts us for a long time without having to go back and forth to the store to get meat. And we have to get more fish. So yeah. Anyways guys, like I said, I am going to be eating my papaya now because I'm super tired, and then after that I'll pack my stuffs. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next one. Bye guys.